In today's video, we're diving into the world of digital marketing tools, specifically focusing on 3 fantastic advertisement maker apps for Android. Marketing Video Maker. Marketing Video Maker is a user-friendly app designed for creating engaging marketing videos. It offers a variety of templates, text options, and music tracks to help users craft professional-looking videos quickly. The app supports various formats and allows users to edit footage easily, add effects, and share their creations on social media platforms. It's ideal for businesses looking to enhance their promotional strategies with visually appealing content. Video Ad Maker Creator. Video Ad Maker Creator is an intuitive application that enables users to design eye-catching video advertisements. With its extensive library of templates and customizable features, users can create ads that suit their brand identity. The app provides tools for adding animations, transitions, and sound effects, making it suitable for both beginners and experienced marketers. Users can export their videos in high quality and share them directly to different platforms, making it a great asset for digital marketing campaigns. Ads Maker app. Ads Maker app focuses on simplifying the ad creation process for users. It provides a straightforward interface where users can select from numerous templates and customize their ads with text, images, and logos. The app is particularly useful for creating social media ads, promotional banners, and flyers. Users can choose from various formats and sizes to ensure their ads are optimized for different platforms. Overall, Ads Maker app is perfect for users looking to create quick and effective advertisements without needing extensive design skills. Thank you for watching. We hope this overview of the Marketing Video Maker, Video Ad Maker Creator, and Ads Maker app has inspired you to enhance your advertising efforts. See you in the next video. Hi.